Hey guys, I'm Lionel, this is Emily, this is Andrea, this is Lisa. We're gonna show you a quick, easy meal that you can cook at home for your family. What are we cooking today?
We are cooking chicken piccata with zoodles.
Piccata.
Piccata.
With zoodles instead of spaghetti to keep it a little healthy for you guys.
Yeah. Oh, and to get started, we should all throw salt all over our shoulder.
Hey.
That's what they do.
Is it?
That's what the Italians do. Yeah, that's for good luck.
So what do we got, ladies? We got some capers, we got some olive oil, a little bit of butter,
We like butter. And over here we have chicken cutlets. A little bit of vino, a little bit of chicken broth, low fat, low salt chicken broth. I think we're ready to go.
Should you taste the vino? Make sure it's good.
Yes, I think.
Okay.
So what we use to make the zoodles is called a spiralizer. You put your little zucchini in there, you spin it, you spin the plate apparently a little bit too. Oh yeah, right. Oh,
Yeah, see how it comes out? Sort of. There we go. Aha.
Nice.
I had a Play-Doh machine when I was a kid. It did the exact same thing.
You're a pro. You're a
Yeah,
seasoned
yeah. I'm
veteran.
such a pro on this.
Exactly, right. So instead of using pasta, you use your zoodle.
So the great thing about the zoodles is they pick up whatever flavor your sauce is. So you can do like Alfredo.
And they're good too. You know, I almost like this, better than spaghetti at times.
Yeah.
Not all the time.
The
but at
other
times.
great thing about a spiralizer like this is you get your arm workout.
Oh, that's right.
But one arm will be bigger than the other because
you
you're only
work
working
your
one.
guns a little bit.
Right?
So what we're gonna do here is we're gonna heat up I'm gonna go ahead and do 2 pans because we're doing a large amount. Basically just duplicating it. So we're gonna turn this on like medium high. We've got a couple of tablespoons of olive oil in each. We're gonna put probably about a tablespoon and a half of butter. I'm Italian, so I don't measure anything. So, and we're gonna just let that melt together. And we've got our chicken cutlets here, which we've dredged in almond flour. And then we're gonna sprinkle some salt and pepper on them and then brown them in the oil as soon as that heats up.
Yum.
And I'm gonna act like I'm cooking. That's funny.
Laying these cutlets in. Again, these are with almond flour. It's a little healthier.
I'm a world-class cook. Call me Chef Boyardee. Back where I'm from. Boom. So 4 to 5 minutes on each side. All right, so we're gonna divide the garlic between each pan, and then Lisa's gonna add some vino.
And so we've left the scrapings in the pan with butter and we've added a little bit more olive oil. We're gonna do about a quarter of a cup of dry white wine in each one. Again, Italian, I don't measure, might be off a little. There we go. And you're gonna wanna scrape the bottoms of the pan. So we just added the shallots to the mixture and we're gonna go ahead and reduce it down till most of the liquid evaporates. So now we're gonna add a little bit of chicken broth, about a quarter of a cup of chicken broth. Or so.
Yeah, it's nice.
All right. And then chicken broth. And then we're gonna add a little bit more of almond flour, maybe a teaspoon to each pan here. Again, normally you would just make 1 pan, but I'm making enough to feed everybody here, so.
Do you, Lisa? Do you?
You're doing great.
Cook it up.
Now it needs to be stirred a little more.
Cook it up
Stir it up a little bit.
Stir it
Do
up.
great.
We can see from here it needs to be stirred.
Yeah. Smells good.
There you go. Now we're talking.
Thanks for all your help, guys.
Yeah,
Love
you're
ya.
welcome.
It's a team effort.
How much longer?
We
put on my apron while Lisa cooks.
yeah.
Yeah, I know. I love capers.
Yum, yum.
Save a little for on top. We're gonna add a little bit of lemons. That's not in the recipe, but that's what I'm doing.
Nice work.
Can you even? Nice.
Turn this off and let it just sit now. And it will absorb some of the juices. It's really good. Okay, now we're gonna heat up the zoodles. I don't like to cook them. I actually just want to heat them up a little bit. And I think,
Yeah, I was thinking the same thing.
Yeah, us as well.
yeah, right? Let me check that.
You
You guys are so much.
That's what I was
I'm
thinking.
gonna stand behind her.
This is my life.
We
Like,
should
this
just
is my
critique everything
life.
she does.
I know. What side is the clothes washer on?
The left side. That's what I've been told.
So I've been told. Oh, that's good. That's good that she's placing
Yep,
these.
yep.
So
Yeah.
I'm just gonna put the
Not too
zoodles
much
on
now.
here.
No,
Or
no.
not too little, I mean.
Right. And they're evenly dispersed, so that's good. She
Right?
did that
You
right.
like that?
So no olive oil, just shove it in there.
No, I'm gonna put it in here,
Okay.
and we're gonna turn the turntable off,
Okay.
and we're gonna put it for like 30 seconds at a time.
Oh yeah.
Your girl's got the moves.
Yeah, she does.
So the
says
zoodles are just
Tuesday.
warm. They're not hot,
Wednesday.
and that's okay because the food that we're putting on it is
Okay.
pretty warm, and so it'll heat it up. If you cook them, my feeling is that they get mushy. So we just like to warm them up a little bit.
Where do these go? Oh my god.
He doesn't even know.
You live here.
Okay.
Good. And there you go, you guys. A quick, easy meal. You can make at home. Chicken piccata with zoodles.
Or you can just have Lisa come make it at the house.
Exactly. Cheers.
Oh, do you want the lady and tramp me? Do you want the lady and tramp?
That's good. Okay.
Wait.
Mm.